Meta Explorer is a project to personalize user interfaces in a vendor-independent way. Today's user interfaces are tied to vendors, and each vendor tries to build one user interface for all of their users. People like one vendor or another, the mobile app of the first one and the website of the second. Either way, the device decides the user experience. The user doesn't. Users also prefer interfaces that behave in a similar way. Vendors try to communicate a distinct character and brand identity that works with that device, and that's a good approach to start with. From this starting point, Meta Explorer works with existing components. The component's behavior is outlined in blueprints. The blueprints use one technical vocabulary. With the vocabulary, existing code can enter your organization's library, where it can be reused and improved. You can make your own building blocks from blueprints with the help of the common vocabulary. That means you can create blueprints of blueprints, independent of visual libraries. This way, the design and layout gets more flexible and can adjust to the environment it's in. Experimental blueprints can be shared across apps, and because all blueprints communicate through one vocabulary, your apps can choose the best components for this user, this device, and this situation automatically. Creating a truly personalized app for your users, guided by your choices. That also means less work has to be spent on functional components, as each blueprint can adjust to the data it receives. The vocabulary and Meta Explorer are based on web technology. That means it works in the internet, inside company networks, and even at home. We have finished a proof of concept and continue development on the first stable draft. Stay tuned, follow or participate on GitHub, LinkedIn and YouTube.